Instant alerts and notifications allow you to always stay up to date on activity in your access control system. These notifications can range from door prop alerts to access requests, connectivity issues, and more. These useful alerts help you to take your security to the next level. And PDK makes it super easy to set up. To begin, let's head over to the System Events page and click the yellow button labeled Add System Event. Next, input a name for this event, something descriptive like Door Prop Alert. Now, let's create an action. Open the Trigger drop-down menu and select which trigger you want to make this notification occur. In this case, we'll select On Prompt. Next, open the Action drop-down menu and select either Send Push Notification or Send Email. Now we need to select which devices we want to be notified about. Click the Edit Devices button, select your devices, and hit Save. Next, let's set up a schedule for these notifications by selecting Always, Reoccurring, or Single Date from the Schedule drop-down menu. We recommend that you keep it set to Always so you can receive 24/7 updates on activity in your system. Lastly, we need to set up the recipients for these notifications. To do this, click the Edit Recipients button, select your users, and hit Save. To finish setting these notifications, make sure you hit the Save button in the bottom right corner. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.